Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Ace2 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and find backup and reset option, and here tap on reset phone. Now we have to tap on reset all settings. Confirm everything with the pattern, for example, or any other screen lock, and tap on reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings again and simply wait. Your device will restore the settings, like for example the system gesture navigation. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.